13 says use the elimination method to solve. Guys, 13 is not a kind problem. If I put a line right here and say plus, what is really, really wrong with this picture? Are the x's lined up? No, those are not lined up top to bottom. So the very first thing I really, really want to do is rearrange these equations. Guys, this top equation, if I were to change it from being 4y plus 3x, can't I say that that's 3x plus 4y? I can take those two things because they're on the same side. They're both on the left-hand side of that equal sign. So I can take those two pieces and just, basically I'm taking these two pieces and I'm just switching them because they're on the same side of the equal sign. Now, if I bring the other equation straight over, I don't even have to change the other equation. But if I do this, now guys, if I line up and say plus, notice that my x values are lined up top to bottom. My y values are lined up. And my equals and numbers lined up. Okay, we haven't seen very many in class that we actually have to rearrange that way. Okay, but this is one we've got to line these things up. Now, if I'm going to use the elimination method, what I need to ask myself, is something going to cancel? Or do I need to manipulate this? Well, guys, 4y minus 4y, that cancels. So I don't need to manipulate. This one's kind of nice. 3x plus 3x is 6x. 22 plus 14 is 36. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep solving for x, divide each side by 6, and I get x is equal to 6. Now, so the hectic part about this problem was rearranging it at the beginning. Once I lined it up, they were easy to use the elimination method. Now I have to take this x is 6 and plug it back into one of the problems. So this time I'm going to plug it back into this bottom equation. Okay? So if x is 6, I'm going to take the x out and put a 6 in. And then I'm going to start working. So 3 times 6 is 18. Bring down minus 4y equals 14. Two sides. Remember, the negative 4y is the couple. I got to get rid of the 18, so I'm going to minus 18 from each side. Here, when you drop this negative 4y down, don't lose the negative sign. Negative 4y equals 14 minus 18 is negative 4. Now, these are being multiplied, so I have to divide to solve for it. So I'm dividing by negative 4, and I'm getting y is equal to a positive 1. So we take both of those answers, we take our x value and our y value, and we write it as an ordered pair. It's going to become 6, 1. That's your answer.